Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Today we are here with a new interesting question. But for those who are new to my channel, it is requested to them please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner and don't forget to leave a comment and share our videos. The question today we are having that is a very interesting question. And the question is in an examination 42% student failed in mathematics and 52% failed in science. If 17% failed in both the subject, find the percentage of those who passed in both the subject. So this is something logical or confusing question, but if you follow the method it will be very easy for you. So I am here to solve this question in two ways, and whatsoever method you like, it depends upon you. So let's suppose here I will take, so this is one method. So I have taken here this for one method to solve out such question, and here we take the second method. So whichsoever the method you like the most, you can go through that method. So here in the question it says that 42% student failed in mathematics and 52% failed in the science. So in the first method, the first thing which you have to do, you have to draw two circles. Mostly in the question you see these diagrams, but in the second method, which I prefer, is better than this method, and another circle equally with this circle. So this is, let's suppose this is the circle for science and this is for mathematics. So this is the mathematics. So here you can see a common between these circles. So this is the circle, this is the area for those who fail both the subject. You can see both the subjects are interconnected with each other. So how much is the percentage who failed both the subject, the mathematics and as well as the science subject? So what is their percentage? Their percentage is 17%. So let's suppose we have taken here that is 17%, and here you can see this percentage who failed the mathematics subject, that is how much? That is 42%, and the science, that is 52%. So the common we are having, that is 17% who failed the both. So it means then from this 17%, from both, from this also and as well as from this percentage, this is common between both these percentages. So if we take out 17% from this, let's suppose I have taken 17% from the mathematics and here as well as 17% from the science. So here we get from the mathematics, that is 42 minus 17, that is how much this becomes that is 25%. So here the remaining will be that is 25% from the mathematics. And now if you see 25 plus 17, this will becomes that is how much? 42%. And here as well as the same thing which we apply, that is 52 minus 17, we get here that is how much? 35%. So here it becomes that is 35, and if you add 17 plus 35 you will get that is 52%. So how much will be the whole who fail? That is, you can take these all threes. How much? That is 25 plus 17 plus 35, and you have add all these, so this becomes that is 77. So this is the percentage of the total student who fail these subjects, mathematics and science. So this is the overall percentage of the failed student either in mathematics or science. And how much will be the passing marks student? What will be the percentage? So passing percentage, how much will be the passing percentage? So it is asked in the question and it is needed in the question, so this becomes that is, so here 77% if fail, then it means that 23% passed. So 73 plus 23, that will become 100%, and this is our answer. I hope till here you have completely understood. And now in the second method, so this is a simple and easy method, and you can also take out a shortcut method. So in this method we take, let's suppose for the percentage who passed, who failed in mathematics, we take that is x is equal to how much? So this is 42%, and for y we take that is 52%. This science, who failed the science subject, and those who fail both the subject we take here that is z, and this is 17%. We take here percentage of the student passing both the subject. So therefore passing percentage, for this we have a formula. So this will be the main thing which you have to understand and keep it in your mind. So that is, so let's suppose this is 100%, we minus, so minus x plus y, and at the last it means that 17% from the both are common, so this we take here minus z percentage. So this is the main thing which you have to understand. If you apply this method and this formula for such types of question, it will be very easy for you to save your time. So applying the value, so this is 100 minus x, we are having that is 42, so this is bracket, plus y we are having that is 52, and for z we have that is 17. So 100 minus, so 42 plus 52 we have get that is 94 minus 17, so 100 minus, here we also have the percentage sign as well, so 94 minus 17 we get here that is 77%. So 100 minus 77 we get direct the answer that is 23. So this 23 is the passing, so this is percentage here, percentage, so this is passing percentage, and this is the same thing which we have found here, and this is our answer. Remember that. So this is the main formula for such type of question, and you have to split it in x, y and z, and don't forget about this minus. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.